Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the channel, my dear friends, on FX Vision channel. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold for Monday. If you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's start it. So, my dear friends, yesterday gold made a high of 2625 and ultimately closed around 2622 area. Nobody expected gold to cross 2500, and here is gold cross sticks 2600 and comfortably trading around 2625, and nobody knows where gold is heading right now because gold looks unstoppable, and following the trend of the market is the only solution here. And that's why we always give priority to following the trend of the market, because if we do not stand against the trend of the market, then there is a high chance that we will lose the money. Because if you look at the forex centimeter meter, we can see still 76% retail traders are on sell position, and the average sell position is 2475, and right now gold is standing at 2622. So there is a big difference of almost $150. Just imagine the condition of the retail traders who are holding their sell position and just putting more money so that they do not have to face a huge loss. So my dear friend, if you're also having a sell on gold right now, then obviously you should have exited a long time ago, because I have warned you guys many times. But still, if you're holding a sell, then please try to exit on Monday whenever you will see gold coming down for retracement. If you get gold around 2600, then try to exit, because nobody knows where is the high of the gold or from where the gold will come for retracement. Okay, and if you're having a buy on gold, and if it's a positional trader, then you must be very happy because gold is flying. So let's look at the trading opportunities then. So at first, the weekly chart. But before I proceed with the higher time frame, let me tell me very frankly that we don't have anything from the higher time frame, because in this weekly chart we can see that the gold is standing on the top. The daily chart here also we can see that the gold is standing on the chart, and then we have been disconflicting. The whole world is discussing about the retracement, but gold has not shown any proper retracement yet. So God knows when the retracement is going to come. So till then, please try to follow the trend of the market. When a reversal will come, then it may hit your one stop loss, but at least a major chunk of your capital, 95% to 96% capital, will be safe. So try to follow the trend of the market as long as the gold is going up. When there will be a trend reversal, SL will be hit, then we may shift our trade again. But till then, try to be bullish. Okay, and again I'm repeating, we have nothing from the weekly chart, we have nothing from the daily chart as well. And if you look at the contracts that have been helping us for a long time, contracts data is also silent right now. Yesterday we discussed about the possibility of a breakout above 2600, because the contracts were reducing at 2600, remember. And now we can see where is the next level, 2650. But here also the contracts are reducing. Okay, if you are observing, it was more than 6000 contracts at 2650. Slowly we can see reduction. So if gold goes up, it will break 2650 as well. And do we have any level on the data here? No, we don't have anything. So this data is also silent. My dear friends, I have already and 110 times told you not to gamble with your hard-earned money. So please look for the support and resistance for the gold. As the gold is on the on the highest of its till now, so we can't say where the support and the resistance will work. So now let's look at the trading opportunities on the beloved early time frame. As I already said, and if you already have a buy, then continue with the buy position, because if the upside continues, then it is to better to sit on the buy instead of being a day trader or a scalper. And if you're having a sell, you let's try to exit at retracement, because if you do not exit at retracement, and if gold continues to go up side, you will lose your whole capitals. So the market opening is going to be important. If we see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market, because on Monday first half there is not much volume. So if we see market coming down with low volume, then we can look for a buy around 2613 to 2610. First level where we can look for a buy if the volume is low and the market starts coming down. Why we are looking for a buy around 261310 area? Because of FIBO 23.6% retracement level. We are also considering this particular price rejection, but also later. But keep in mind, in this is not a major level, and if the market shows a big red candle, and if you see the market go down with a little bit of a high selling pressure, then obviously it will not work. In that case, you focus should be on 2607, 262603. This is our second support on the chart of the gold, and this is a better level, better support. And we can expect the market bounce around this area, because you can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus previous support around this area. And when we are changing the FIBO here, then we have FIBO 3.6%, means this support has got something. This support has got the presence of buyer. So 2607 to 2603 is going to be a support if market breaks 2612 because of high selling pressure. And this 2612 and 2613 is only for day traders. Excuse me. And this next support on the chart of the gold is around 2598 to 2594 area. If market shows good amount of retracement, then we can look for a support around this area, because 2600 is a round number, so we can expect support to be present around this area. Plus we can see we have FIBO. Okay, we have seen we are having FIBO 38.2 point retracement level, 38.2 retracement level. uh, Starting point, still we can find 50% retracement limit, and more over 50 moving average is also present. So if market surprises us with heavy retracement, then 2594 2598 area should be a level where a buyer can look for a position. As a day trader, as a swing trader also, you can enter for a buy around this particular area. But around 2612, okay, only day trading, because this is not a major level, these are better levels. So market opening is going to be important, and I know many of you are already having a buy, that you must be happy, enjoy with your buy. Those who are having a sell, you need to be careful, because there is a high chance gold will blow your capital. And if the market doesn't come for the retracement, yes, yesterday also we discussed about the retracement levels, but market did not come for the retracement, and ultimately we have to buy at breakout. So here also, if market doesn't come for a retracement, we can look for a buy at the breakout above 2626. Okay, but as we already have discussed many times, that buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to buy at replacement. So if you look for a buy at breakout, then be careful and follow the proper risk management. Okay, because after some time, if market comes down, then you should not be sad. So let's wait and watch. Buying and breakout is riskier. Let's wait and watch. But during the US session, volume comes, then the buy at the breakout is little bit safer. But during the Asian session, if you see the market is going up, then obviously it is matter to worry. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please share my video to all those friends who want to start their trading journey in forex market with the gold. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Thank you very much.